Hi everybody, happy Monday. We're starting a new week, the last week of this packet. And let's jump right into the learning targets. I hope you guys had a really great weekend, and let's see what we're going to learn today. So our character target today for the whole week is I can show compassion by helping others. So this is a great time since you're at home and since there's probably a lot of things going on, parents are working from home, there's a lot of other siblings there, you guys are spending a lot more time together to really help others. So I want you to think of one way you can help somebody in your house or in your family this week, and just take a picture or text me one way that you did that. All right, for our skills practice this week, we're going to do just a little review. We're going to practice beginning sounds. So the learning target is I can practice identifying the beginning sound in a word. And then remember, that's the first sound that you hear in the word. So you're going to look for this beginning sounds sheet, and the directions say cut and paste the ice cream scoops onto the correct beginning sound cone. Color the pictures. So you've got 4 different ice cream cones here. You got A, B, C, and D. So we need to think about the sounds they make. A says ah, B says b, C says k, D says d. And you're going to look at each picture here. You're going to say the name of the picture and then think about what it starts with. So for example, the first one is cat, k, k, cat. Oh, that starts with a C, C, cat, k. So you'll cut that out and glue it in the box above the C. Let's go over the rest of them. So I've got a duck. This is an airplane. This is a ball, cupcake, bear, apple, and a dog. So this shouldn't be too tricky for you because this is something that we worked on in the beginning of the year, but it's just a good review to help you practice. All right, I'm going to skip ahead of the reading and writing target today, and I'm just going to do the reading and writing in the same video, but I'll skip ahead to the math lesson now. The math lesson is really similar to Friday's. It's finishing up subtraction before we move on to something new on Wednesday. So you're going to look for lesson 24 problem set. It looks like this. It's almost the same as Fridays. It's just continued practice with that. So the learning target is I can solve a subtraction number sentence using a number sentence and a number bond, and a picture as well. So you're going to be using a picture, a number sentence, and a number bond to show subtraction. So let me show you the first problem. I'll read over the directions, and then I'll also show you the back side, and then you can get working on your own. Let's see, the 30th. All right, so the directions say fill in the number sentence and number bond. So put an X on 3 dots. So that tells you how many you're going to take away. You're going to look up here, put an X on 3 of them. Okay, so I started with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I took away 3 of them. Remember, the equals is how many are left. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So then when I fill in my number bond, I know there's 8 altogether. I took away 3 of them, and I had 5 of them left. So I'm going to make sure to cross out the 3 because I took away 3 of them. For the next 2 on the front side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to look up here to see how many you have to take away. So this one says put an X on 5. This one says put an X on some dots. So you can decide, actually, you get to be in charge on this one. How many do you want to take away? Then fill in a number sentence and the number bond. On the back side, you're going to do your own drawing of dots. So this one says draw 8 dots and put an X on 1 of them. So I'm going to start by drawing 8, and all of them have 8 dots today. And then put an X on 1 of them. Fill in the number sentence. So I had 8 already. I took away 1, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. So my parts are 1 and 7, and I took away the 1. I'll read the last 2 for you. This one says draw 8 dots in a 5 group. That just means you put 5 on top and then the rest of them on the bottom. And put an X on 7 dots. So you're going to do that, draw your picture, takeaway 7, fill out the number sentence and the number bond. And then the last one says draw 8s in a 5 group, put an X on some dots. So just like on the last one on the front page, you get to decide how many you're going to take away, and then fill in your number sentence and your number bond. So by now you should be like getting a hang of subtraction. If you've done all of your problem sets from last week, it should be starting to get a lot easier. But if it's still challenging, work on the homework for lesson 24, or work on Khan Academy, or let me know if, or Zern, sorry, or let me know if it's challenging for you, and I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can. All right, make sure you watch the other video too so you can see the read aloud and the writing for today. All right, guys, see you later.